Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Monzo card abroad. First, when you pay by card with Monzo abroad, there are no fees and Monzo doesn't add any hidden charges to the exchange rate. Next, it helps you track your spending by category, like eating out or groceries, making it easier to stick to your travel budget. Next, you can withdraw up to €200 free every 30 days. After that, there's a 3% fee. Some ATMs might charge their own fee, so always use a free ATM if you can. Monzo works anywhere that accepts MasterCard, and you can check specific country details inside the app. Tip: bring a backup card just in case. If you lose your Monzo card, freeze it instantly in the app and they can send a replacement anywhere. And that's it. That's how to use your Monzo card abroad. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.